Reese, what is it? Goofy ears, what'd you find?
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground.
Corner cabinets, finally here. It only took Home Depot 3 deliveries and then Tyler having to pick this one up to get all my cabinets. We haven't seen him in a while. For those of you new to the channel, this is Steven, Tyler's brother.
You're not going to be able to get out.
Yeah, can't let you get stuck back there.
Can you grab that? Can't go over there still.
Oh my goodness. Oh geez, Tyler, be careful. You're gonna hurt your back.
Oh, and then in there, 12-inch goes here?
This 12 goes over there. There's 2 dogs walking by out on the street. He's not saying a word. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. I love you, Reese. And here's the next thing, getting the vent hood installed today. Tyler is super thrilled about having to drill a hole through the exterior wall. And he's not talking because he can't hear me. He has his earbud pods things in. Oh, it's going to be pretty, though. And most of all, it's going to get rid of that stinky stuff when I cook. He lowered it a couple of inches so my non-graceful self doesn't bang my head on it. Effective, yes. I love the look of that. I looked over here. Tyler's outside. I looked over here and went, what's that light up there? It's not the light. It's the hole in the side of the building, the hole in the wall so the vent can go through.
So it's all up there. That is with the white covering over it. I still have to take that off. And the reason it doesn't go all the way to the ceiling is because I have to put the beadboard back up there. I've got to rip it down, that last top row. And I didn't bring my table saw. So I'll have to get that last piece of beadboard up there. And,
Shiplap.
Or yeah, shiplap rather. And secure it, and then secure that hood there to the wall. But for now I just set it up there. It won't be white, and it's going to extend all the way to the ceiling once I'm all the way down.
Right, so the white part comes off?
Yeah, it's a covering. It's just like the blue on the dishwasher.
Oh.
Yeah, it peels off, and it's stainless steel. That's what it will reveal.
Very nice. I like it already. Can't wait to use it. Yes. I bet it works great. I hate to say that before I've actually used it, but I bet it works great.
Sounds like it does.
Just because I'm used to one of those under the microwave ones, you know, that did not work great.
Yeah.
Silly boy. It's outside of this vent hood. Get down, sir. Outside of this vent hood looks pretty good. It's vent hood day at a shed instead. And the dishwasher is hooked up. Oh yes, so pretty. Shiny is automatically pretty. That looks great, Tyler. No, you see it better with the light on.
I think you can change the bulbs to make them that same cool light as the others in here.
Oh, there it is. Love it.
I was going to say, it should be pulling quite a bit, huh?
I made him a summer treat, and he loves them. It's just pumpkin, frozen, and ice cube trays. Oh, that was gone quick, sir. Good job. Oh, yes, that's going to look so nice. I just love the shiplap look. Obviously, 3 walls. Oh, gosh. He found a frog. Reese, what is it? Goofy ears, what'd you find? Oh dear. Oh, that poor frog. Well, I say poor frog. He could kill it with one chomp. And he's not doing that. He's just playing with it. Oh, dear. Yikes. Getting revenge on that frog on behalf of Mom. Where'd it go? Where is it? You let him get away. Good job. Did you scare that frog? Did you scare that frog to death? Yeah, good boy. You're a good boy. And today he's working on that ceiling fan. Hopefully that'll help keep it a little bit cooler in here until the weather cools down, if ever. All this work on the ceiling isn't easy. Getting there. It's been so long, I completely forgot what ceiling fan I bought. It's gonna match the mini chandeliers. Just a quick update. Tyler is going to be out of town for at least a week on another job, so things are going to be slowing down here at a shed instead. And I think it's time, I'm at that point, money-wise, where it's time to take stock, see where we are, see what's left to do, and make some plans. So that will be coming up soon. So that's pretty.
So I have to take this back apart.
Like a box for the remote control?
Yeah, exactly. It's like a receiver for the remote.
Oh, that's weird.
Yep, most of the time it's just like built in, but
You would think, being that they go on the ceiling, yeah, they would make it a little easier than that.
well, I mean, typically they have cords that hang down which you can adjust. And like I said, if they do have a remote, it's already wired into it. Good. Well, I just switched it over there, then it would be.
I like it, and it's not wobbly.
It is a little bit, but
Is that on high, medium, or low?
that's high. That's
Oh.
as high as it'll go. Yep. And
Yeah,
this-
I can see it. It wobbles just a little, but a very little.
Yeah, part of it is because that down rod is not the. It's not that it's not the correct size, but it's not as large of a diameter as the one that came with it. The way a down rod works is there's actually a pin that goes through it. So the fact that it's a little smaller doesn't really make that big of a difference, other than the play you see in it wobbling.
Right.
But you can probably see the down rod isn't moving.
No, it's not.
Not a whole lot. Most of the play is in the fan itself, in between where it meets the down rod.
Right, but even that, it's negligible.
But there's a couple set screws, and I've got them screwed in all the way. Where, like I said, the other down rod's a little larger. The set screws just don't quite touch this down rod, so I might grab same size screws that are, you know, 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch longer. That way they'll press against the down rod and hold it tight.
Ah, I see. Those teeth are growing just like you are. Yes, they are. Your big love. Your big love. And now, after all of that, we're tired. Hit like if you would, and subscribe if you haven't. We'll see y'all next time.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only need no